What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. Y'all, I don't know what it is about clearance stuff, but it makes me want more. So, y'all, this video is Family Dollar's laundry clearance items and some of the transactions I did today. Because, like I said, we got some coupons this week that is working with some of these clearance items. So, why not? Plus, I found two new clearance items. I don't know if y'all knew about these or what, but to me, they are new. So, whenever I find something out, believe me, I gotta show y'all. It's only right. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Plus, y'all, Family Dollar got 10 off of 30 again for Saturday, so it means it's gonna be another round of shopping there. Poor little Dollar General, I just didn't not even pay them no attention, even though they do got some hot coupons this week, I must admit. But I'm still on the clearance tip until they say no more or it's gone. But let's get into these clearance deals. Okay, y'all. What we are looking at is two transactions that I did, basically of the same items or whatever, but we do have a coupon where you spend $12, you save three. Plus, on some of these items, they are giving us 50 cent off and stuff like that in the Family Dollar app. So that means more savings. So starting off with this Easy Clean right here, it is $3.75. We got 50 cent off on that, making it $3.25. And same coupon attaches to this as well. This is $3.75 with that 50 cent off. Then we got the Fantastic. The one with the bleach was gone, but they still had these, so I snatched them up. They were $3 on clearance. Unfortunately, no coupon is attaching to that. And then they got the Mega Shower Foamer. It was let me see, $3.75 as well. We have 50 cent off of that, making it $3.25. And this is nowhere near part of the equation, but I know they had these on clearance. Well, in my store they were $1.10. In your store they could be cheaper. Every Family Dollar is different. Then they still had these as well, $2.47. And I noticed one of my apps had 50 cent off of these. But hold on, let me see, because I think one of them 50 cent coupons is attaching to basically everything. Yep. The 50 cent coupons attached to all of these items, and then the 3 off of 12 came off of the Fantastic. And like I said, everything else had 50 cent off on it. So the total for all of these items right here was $12.82. And these products right here, y'all, were originally $5. So, I mean, you cannot beat that at all. And it made each item $2.13 each. I was not playing when I found these, because I had been looking for some, but I mean, hey, they've been wiped out in the store. So I looked up and found some and was able to use that coupon. But let's get into the next clearance deals. And everything y'all about to see in this video, y'all, is clearance items. So I don't think there's one item that I don't get that is not clearance. So everything we about to see is clearance. So let's check out the next items. Okay, here are some other clearance items I picked up, y'all. Found these Charmin Essentials. It's the ones that say strong. I noticed the stores I was going to kept having them and they were saying $6.55. But that's how much that they were basically. So, but now they are on clearance, y'all, for $4.91. And like I said, they was $6.55. That's why some of them tags they hang up that says last chance and say a price or whatever, I will still get it scanned at the register because 9 times out of 10 it could be cheaper, and I was right. And this was the last one, so I had to make it do what it do. I had to get it so I could show y'all, so y'all can be on the lookout for these if y'all store still has some. Then I got the 90 Homeline dryer sheets. It's the purple box. They was $2.70 and they was $3.95. Moving on to the Gain and Odor Defense. And these are Super Fresh Blast, 24 count, $6.10. And we didn't have no coupons with none of these items, but I like the price on them that I didn't even care about a coupon for these. I just went on and got them. But yeah, those are the prices for those. Now we got more items, so don't go nowhere. You might as well get you a snack, come back, and finish watching me, because y'all know snacks taste better when you are watching a good YouTube video. Fun fact. But let's get into these other clearance items, because y'all, I'm not done with what I found. Okay, y'all, I got two deals going on right here. And I meant to tell y'all I went to two different Family Dollars, but this is the first one that I went to, but I'm just showing y'all the transactions or whatever. So we have right here, I was doing the P&G deal, the 5 off of 20, and I meant to show y'all the Bounty towel paper with this, but I got mixed up on my transactions. But the Bounty towel paper, which is this right here, was in with these. So the Bounty, well, let's start off with the Bounce 60 count dryer sheets. They are on clearance for $3.50. Then we have the Downy Unstoppables Paradise, $7.75. We have the Downy April Fresh, $3.60. We have $1 coming off, making it $2.60. Then the Tide Oxy, and it's the 18 count. It was $6.90. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, $6.90. And then the Bounty was $9.37, and the $5 came off of that, making it $4.37. So the total for all of those, all of these items, y'all, I cannot talk. I'm so sleepy. I can't wait to get off her and get a bath. But the items was $28.62, making each item $4.77. And I guess that's okay. Because $28 for those items is not bad at all, especially if we was doing a 5 off of 20 on a Saturday. It would have been cheaper than that, so I'm not mad at that total at all. Then moving on to the next transaction I did was on the spend 12 save 3 on the Glade and the Scrub and Bubbles products. We have the Easy Clean Scrubbing bubbles, it was 3.75. We had 50 cent off, making them 3.25. So two of them at 6.50. And then the Glades, these particular ones is in on the deal as well. They were I think like $1. And let me go back to my receipts. They was $1.80. Now they are on sale for our clearance for $1.35. So I had got 5 of those for $1.35, and that was $6.75. And then the awesome laundry in this particular store was $1 instead of $1.10. So the total for these items after coupons was $10.75, making each item $1.34, y'all. Cannot beat that at all. And I'd rather get some more of these air fresheners. They do come in handy. And look, somebody marked on that. That's crazy. I just now seeing that. But yeah, I'd rather get some more Glade air fresheners or whatever. But $10.75 for all of those items. Now I got a couple more things to show y'all, then we gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, here are some more clearance items I found. And yes, this bounty is on clearance. These were on clearance as well, and they have some purple ones, but these been on clearance. I just went to a different store and found those. But let's start off with the Happy and the Relax. They are the 88 ounces. They are $8.50. But y'all, we have a 5 off of 2 coupon when you buy 2 of these. So 2 of them was $17. That $5 came off, making these $12 or $6 each. So basically, they are cheaper than those pods. I meant the Game Flings I got, because they was six. What was they? $6.10. Yeah, these would be $6 a piece if you get the 2 and use that $5 off coupon. Then on these, y'all, they were $1.97. They was $4.50 before they even went on clearance, but now they are $1.97. Moving on to the odor blasters, it was $3.80, and that's the Arm& Hammer dryer sheets, 80 count. Then on the Game dryer sheets, it's 180 of them in there, and they were $6.65. Moving on to the Bounty Essentials, they were $9.37, y'all. $9.37. Cannot beat that at all. And plus, y'all, I noticed too when I rank up, well, in the app, when I scan the big things of Angel Soft, it is ranking up for $12.75. I don't know if that's a clearance price or a sale price on that particular item, but just wanted to let y'all know in case y'all have to get some of that or want to get some of that while you are out. But yeah, y'all, here's some more items. Now I got a couple more items to show y'all, then we gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, here is the very last items y'all got on clearance. And I told y'all this is going to be kind of a long video, so get you some snacks. But this game, the Super Fresh Blast, is $4.90. I got 2 of those. Then at this particular store, I got the All with Oxy. It's on clearance. It was $3.90. We have $1.50 coming off, making it $2.40. And on Ibotta, don't forget you can submit your receipt to any grocery store. Get back $1.50. So it's making this 90 cents. Then the Homeland dryer sheets, original scent, 40 count. They are $1.65 each. Then I found some Hello toothpaste. It's the Unicorn Sparkle. It was $2.47 each. We have $3 coming off, so I looked at the receipt. They took $2.47 off of one of these, making them free, and then the other one they took off 53 cents, making it $1.94. So I paid $1.94 for both of these toothpastes. Then we've got some razors here. These Venus Gillette razors colors. They are $3.47. We got the big Soleil Escape $3.97, and it has 4 razors in there, y'all. 4, and even on the Venus Gillette razors is 4. Then we have the Family Dollar brand for $2.97. So y'all be on the lookout for these items. I hope y'all score some more clearance stuff until it's all gone, no more. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.